Okay, new version of Loopy. I wanted to show you some development I did on this project. So I redesigned the loop, in this case, to create a looper that will allow you to have 4 pedals in front of the amplifier, 2 pedals inside the send return, and 2 additional control for changing functionality on the amplifier. So like in this case it's configured to change channel, but you can activate any other function. So for instance, we can recall pedals as normal looper. So in this case the overdrive or the harmonizer, or we can switch channel and go to the drive channel of the amplifier. And of course, exactly as the previous version, we can then save presets. So for instance, we want to save this combination into the preset number 4. That's saved, and we can then move to the preset control and select preset.